we're here at the office. I'm going to pick up Jeff's VOL right through that door right there, drop off my logs, and then we're going to go to Walmart, pick up some snacks, and then we are going to head over to pick up Jeff's unit and up the Elkhart to pick up my unit.
All the ice frozen on the truck, on everything, is a bit concerning to me.
Uh-oh. We have ice. That's not a good sign. That's not a good sign at all.
We gotta get out of here.
Yep, let's get out of here. The yard is kind of yucky today. As you can see, we have to deal with this kind of stuff. And this is our Topeka lot in winter.
Hey guys, so I picked up my unit here in Topeka. It's been sitting here in the snow and ice, and so one of the tires were flat. So I called in damages at Synergy, and they told me to take it up to the yard shack and see if it'll hold air. If it doesn't hold air, I give them a call back and we go from there. So we'll see what happens.
All right, let's check it out. We're gonna try and fix this baby. You can't really see it in the snow, but it's really flat. That's a flat tire for you. And this poor dude here has a park model, so if you never want to take one of those, basically.
Yeah.
They get terrible fuel economy. This is the guard shack where we'll check out, and it has air right here. All right, so Jeff is going to go in here and get the air hose from the compressor.
I'll tell you, it ain't looking too good.
It looks pretty flat, honey. Well,
She got air in her now.
all right, good job. Okay, so I can hear the air leaking out of the tire. We're going to call damages again and ask them where do we proceed from here. If they want us to take it and get it plugged, or if Jeff needs to plug it for himself. So we're going to check that out with damages. That tire is bubbling. It's definitely not going to make it probably all the way to Goshen.
No,
It's coming out, but it's spewing air like crazy.
So we called damages at the office, and he's going to contact the plant down here where they make that trailer.
Which is like only half a mile away,
And
so.
hopefully I can just pull in there and they switch out for a new tire.
Or I think they might bring a new tire to us and change it right here on the yard.
I don't know, we'll see.
So we're going to wait and see what happens with that. Otherwise, we're going to be just sitting here on the yard until they can bring us a new tire. But that's the procedure as of now. We're waiting for a phone call back.
Yep,
So-
we'll see what happens.
All
I'm
right,
going to let you know.
Stay tuned. Okay.
So we talked to Lance at Synergy.
And we only were
Thumbs
sitting
up,
there.
Lance.
We were only sitting there for like 15 minutes, and
I'll
Lance was
give
on the ball.
I give Lance 5 stars.
Awesome. We were sitting there, and he got back right to us. He sent us an email saying the address and the door for the manufacturer, which is only like a half a mile away from the Topeka lot.
And evidently they're going to switch my tire out.
Yeah.
Or they're just going to give me that tire and say good luck.
No, they're going to change the tire for us. Lance, who was fantastic at Synergy, got back with us in just like 15 minutes or so. So they're going to change the tire.
But my GPS is taking me the scenic way.
Yeah, so we're seeing some Amish country in that half a mile. Okay, so let's get that tire changed. We have made it to plant 17A. Let's go see if we can find the guy who is going to change our tire. Had to bring the forklift out because it's going to have to be all 4 tires because the rims don't match. So we're gonna change these tires over to these tires. God bless this man.
All right, here you go. I'm gonna go in here and show you an exclusive look at the inside of the plant.
Manufacture all these little tires.
Look at this.
This is the manufacturing plant.
This is an exclusive look only on Transport Bandits.
Look at all the beds.
Mattresses, furniture, and here is where the magic happens. I got all these here hooked up, working on them, ready to go. Look down through there. It's lined up forever.
This is pretty awesome. Look at how many they're manufacturing.
Yeah.
Right? That's what gets towed to our lot, and then we take them away. Like there's all the fire extinguishers that they put in her, and the little covers.
We got it all here. So, this is your exclusive look from the Transport Bandits inside a manufacturing plant. Of course, this is a top secret video.
Hey, we have permission.
We're at an undisclosed plant.
There's the drawers that go in the units.
Look at all those drawers.
Look. We have ovens.
Ovens.
Ovens right there.
Tires and wheels, frames, steps, heaters. We got it all in here. Of course, they do manufacture them here, so I'm assuming they would have everything they need. Yep, there's decals.
Look, these are the decals that go on the side, right there. Now, show them this unit right here, see?
Yep, see?
There's the insulation.
They're in the process there. And check this out. There's the slides. And here's one that is not.
It's being built right now.
Yep, and that's probably the slide that's going to go in it.
Well, this is pretty nifty. I mean, getting our tires changed outside, they're having to change all 4 tires, which is crazy because the rims didn't match or anything. But he said, yeah, come on in, videotape some of the manufacturing plant right there.
So here we are.
Where it's made.
Pretty cool,
let's get
huh?
those tires changed and get on the road and go get my motorized unit.
Yeah, we're late. This is really putting us behind.
Yeah.
But we did get an exclusive here. Alright, I'm going to show you guys something really cool.
What?
If you'll notice the front wheel here, right? It's on a little wheel system.
Yeah.
Come over here.
What's
Now,
that?
The tires are on this wheel system, which is on this rail.
Oh, I see.
Now look at me. Alright. This camper is less complete than this one.
I get it.
As the campers get more finished, they move down, 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 down.
Oh, that's how they move the campers from one spot to another down the line. I see, because this one's got the door already. And I saw all the doors, which are like right there. And the cabinet work and everything. Look at all the drawers.
Look at all the batteries.
Pretty nifty. And then this camper is more done than the camper we just looked at.
Yep. rails so you can see the rails. See? Look at the rail system again. It's pretty cool. This is their assembly line.
That's pretty cool.
All right, so the campers are moving down the line like this.
On those little rails right there.
This one is in the final stage. Still on the rail. And when they finish it, it'll roll off the rail straight out that way.
And it'll go out that way, and then that goes to our lots, and we pick them up and take them to the dealer. Pretty cool. Okay, see, this one has the bed already in it. It's almost done.
Now you may be asking, where are the employees? I'll answer that for you.
Okay.
We don't know. There's nobody here.
I think everybody's out to lunch right now. So, yeah, so you can see there's a chair there. This is all getting done now. Okay, so that's a look at one of our manufacturing plants while we get our tires changed here. And they are still working on that. Take a look right there. There's our camper unit, and they are changing the tires. So we can get rolling and take this baby all the way out to Washington State. Actually, this one's going to Kamloops, British Columbia, all the way across the country. Those dudes there, they're doing a great job. Thanks.
All right, all your transporters that complain about the looking up not being tight, check this out. These are great employees. They are torquing each one.
Awesome.
That may be because I'm here watching.
No, you're doing a good job. Okay, these are the tires. They had to change all 4 of those tires just so that they match up on the wheels. Because these were the smaller tires. Okay, we are ready to roll. They changed all 4 of those tires. I offered them a gratuity to go get a burger for their troubles, and they would not take that. So that was very nice of them to be out here in the cold and change all 4s. Okay, so that's the look at the manufacturer's plant. We never believed that our one flat tire on the camper would have ended up in a tour of the manufacturing plant.
I can't believe they manufacture all these campers with so few employees.
We only saw 2, basically. But I think they were all gone to lunch or something, I'm not sure. But in any case, we're going to wrap this video up since that was an unexpected all-day pretty much excursion, because going to the while we got it approved to get the new tire very quickly, it took quite a long time there at the plant.
It did take a while, but you know, like those plants, it's just a big giant maze of
parts,
manufacturing stuff.
It's pretty cool. So that's our look at the manufacturing plant, where your trailer, if you bought a trailer, or you take a trailer, or you transport a trailer,
that's where it's made.
That's it. That's how they get made.
Or a plant like that. So if you enjoyed this video and you thought it was helpful, you know, me and Cheryl, we do a lot of consults for people. You're welcome to contact us through Messenger or whatnot, however you can get a hold of us. Email us, message us. Do that Facebook thing or whatever. Give us your number. We'll give you a call. We'll talk to you on the truck. We'll talk to you about transporting.
Yeah, if you have a problem with a flat tire, give us a call. We'll tell you what to do.
Yeah, but if you're interested in getting into business, that's what we like to do. We like to talk to new people and help them get started. And if you don't mind, if you're going to sign up with Synergy, the Transport Bandits down as your reference. Gives us a little bonus.
Yes, we are headed up to Elkhart to get my motorized Class C motorhome now, and then I will do a new video starting with that one, going out to Monroe, Washington.
We're going to head west, and we got a snowstorm coming in tonight.
So we got to leave today.
You know, we would just stay at Thomas Walmart tonight and get an early start tomorrow, but we need to get a couple hours away from here because that snow's
coming right in here to Indiana.
So we're going to be hitting Chicago at the worst possible time.
Yay, that's going to be fun.
I see guys watching and gals watching, and there's something you're not doing. You need to subscribe.
We will see you on the next video headed to Washington State.
See you guys later.
Transport Bandits
out.